Good morning, everyone. On today's episode of Simply Lou, I'm going to show y'all how I make one of my favorite avocado toast breakfasts. We're going to add a twist by throwing some cream cheese in. So come with me and let's have some fun this morning in the kitchen. Okay, so my ingredients for today, I have some bagels. You can use whatever bread you prefer, really, English muffin, regular toast, whatever you want. I love bagels. I've got some whipped cream cheese. I have avocados. I have salt, pepper, a little bit of crushed red pepper for some heat. If you don't like heat, you can go ahead and omit that. And then I just have my bowl so that we can mix everything together.
I see you're over here. Are we making breakfast?
We're making avocado toast. You want to help?
Yes, I actually do.
All right, so you can cut the avocado. Here we go.
Can we use this knife, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I would say there's a technique to cutting your avocado. Really, you just slice it around.
Guys, look how beautiful this avocado is. It's so green and luscious.
And then you cut the rest of them?
No, just one more.
Just one more?
Yeah.
Let's take it.
All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and take my avocado half and put it in this bowl while he's cutting the other one. And there's all these fancy techniques about how to take out the center. I just squeeze it until it comes out because I don't have time for all that. These avocados are perfect.
Yeah, that is really good.
They are. So they're perfect. Yo, can you believe there was a point in my life where I did not like avocados? I think something was wrong with me.
I was trying to convince her for the longest time to eat them. She was like, no, they're disgusting.
But I didn't say they were disgusting, I just said I didn't like it. All right, I'm gonna take my fork. I'm gonna mash these. Yeah, it's nice and mashed. I'm gonna take my cream cheese, and this is already whipped, so it's much easier to mix together. I know y'all are probably thinking, what in the world is she doing? Cream cheese with avocado? Yes. This is gonna change your life. Well, if I can get it off, it'll change your life. The two are so good together. All right, I'm gonna do some base on here. Try this beautiful light green color. All right. Do a little bit of pepper, just a little bit of salt. All right, it's the moment of truth. This bread. I'm just gonna take a regular knife. You're just gonna spread that right on your bread.
She likes to be modest with it. We're just a goofing a gob.
Gosh, y'all, it's gonna be so good. I'll trade you.
Sure.
All right, so these are basically ready to go, but if you like a little kick of heat, I'm just gonna add a dash of crushed red pepper to the top of mine.
Yep.
Because why not? Please. That's good. Okay. All right. You'll never have a bagel and cream cheese ever the same again, or even avocado toast ever the same again. It is so good. The heat, which if you don't like heat, I get it, but The heat really, really goes well with the sweetness of the cream cheese. And then you get just the creaminess of the avocado plus the flavor of the avocado. It's so, so good. Plus, even though it's not necessarily the healthiest breakfast, you actually get your protein. So there's your protein for the day and your healthy fats. Anyway, that's all I have for you. We're gonna finish eating our breakfast. Thank you, and make sure to like and subscribe.